All right, we're going to take a look at how to find a composite function. So instead of finding just one value each time, we're going to take those two functions and find the composition to create a new function, and then we can use that as many times as we want to find as many values as we want. All right, so here's how this works. I have f of x is negative 9x plus 3, and g of x is x to the fourth. So f of g of x is going to be f of, so we start with that inside. I'll replace that with this x to the fourth because that's what g of x is equal to. And then everywhere in f that there's an x, that x is going to be replaced with this x to the fourth. So I get negative 9 x to the fourth plus 3. So that would be my new function f of g of x. All right, number 15, there's two of them here. We're going to find f of g of x and g of f of x. So f of g of x is going to be f of x plus 2, which if I take f and replace everywhere there's an x with x plus 2 in parentheses, okay, we end up with 2 times the quantity x plus 2 minus 5, which is 2x plus 4 minus 5, which gives us 2x minus 1. So that's our new function. And then I would like you to pause the video and try and find g of f of x, and then work on 16 and 17, and we'll come back and take a look at those together. All right, so g of f of x is g of 2x minus 5. And that gives me, I'll replace this x here with this 2x minus 5 plus 2. So that's going to give me 2x minus 3. All right, number 16. So f is x squared plus 7, g is x minus 3. So f of g of x is f of x minus 3, which gives me x minus 3 squared plus 7. Right, since I replace this x here with this x minus 3. And if I FOIL this out, so remember that's going to be x minus 3 times x minus 3, okay, which is definitely not x squared minus 9 or plus 9, either one of those. Okay, what this comes out to be, since we have to FOIL it, is x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then plus the 7, which gives us x squared minus 6x plus 16. And then g of f of x is going to be g of x squared plus 7, which gives me x squared plus 7 minus 3, which is x squared plus 4. All right, and then we have one last one here, which is g of f of x. And my f of x is x minus 1. To get the quantity x minus 1 squared plus 2 times x minus 1 minus 8. And to clean that up, so remember this has got to be FOILed. You're writing 2 copies of it like you did up here. So you get x squared minus 2x plus 1. And this gets distributed. So plus 2x minus 2 minus 8. Okay. And the x squared, this minus 2x and the plus 2x cancel. This is minus 10 plus 1. So that gives me minus 9. All right, so that's how we find our new function when we're doing composition of functions.